What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Today I want to talk about how to start an easy conversation and make the person like you instantly, like from the moment you start a conversation with them. So I was in the gym about 2 days ago. It was on Friday. It was on Friday, and so I was just doing legs, and I was doing all the different exercises, and I walk to a different exercise, and I see it's taken. So I the dude finishes his set, and I asked him, bro, how many sets do you have? And he was like, I got 2 or 3. I don't remember what he said. And so I do my set, he does his set, and then when he gets off after his set, I tell him, bro, like I like your beard. And he was like, oh, thank you, bro. Oh, no, it was, so he gets off, I tell him, I like your beard, bro. And I tell him I like his beard, and I want one, bro, I can't fucking speak. He gets off the machine, and I tell him, bro, I like your beard, I want to grow some too, and I can't. And he's like, oh, thank you, bro. No, it's not all that. My cousin has the same problem. And we started a conversation, around a thing that I liked about him, right? Like, I like his beard. It sounds kind of gay, but and that's like an easy conversation starter. Just find what you like about the person and compliment them on it. So I'm reading this, like, it's like iPhone books or something. I'm reading this one book about social skills, which says about, like, which says, like, find something that person has pride about, find something a person is trying to show off, or find something they're insecure about and compliment them about that thing. It's like, I saw the guy had a cool beard, and I'm like, bro, I like your beard. And that made him instantly like me, because I gave him a compliment. Just imagine, like, someone walks up to you and tells you, like, a compliment, and then you tell, oh yeah, that, like, if someone, like, was to come up to me and compliment me on my haircut, which I got recently, he go like, oh bro, I like your haircut. And he was like, where'd you get it? And I'm like, I got it here, but, like, we can start a whole conversation about it, right? And then, where'd you get yours? Just, yeah. What you think about my haircut, by the way, bro? Fuck. And so, just kind of imagine you're playing FIFA, right? And you learn this new trick, how to dribble around a person, and then you do it every time you dribble around it, and nobody can take the ball from you. And then the next day you learn, shit, bro. And then the next day you learn about how to shoot the way that no goalkeeper can save. So you kind of learn this thing, and you use it, and then you combine them, and then you can score a goal almost every time, because you know how to dribble around, and then you know how to shoot. So it's the same thing. I'm telling you right now how to dribble or how to shoot. So I'm telling you, like, a trick, right? I'm telling you, do this, and the person will instantly like you, and you'll have a cool conversation. So maybe in a couple days, if I make another video, I can say, oh, do this thing to make the person like you even more and want to hang out with you. And now you have this deadly combo, though. Everyone starts to like you now. So, like, this is one thing. This is a dribbling tactic for you to make a person like you. Or, for example, if I'm editing a video, I don't know. I'm not sure if I want to edit videos anymore, but that's, like, a separate thing. So I kind of edit, and then I want to do this, but I don't know how to do it. So I go online, like on YouTube or something, and then I find out how to do this thing, and then I search, like, the right terms for it, because you don't know what some things are called, and you search it, and now you know how to do it, and now you know how to make even a better video. So it's kind of like I don't know if that makes sense for you, bro. Like, if it clicks for you, you learn this one thing that will help you to get the result, right? Like I learned how to do this one thing in editing, and now I can make better videos. I learned how to do this trick in FIFA, and I can score more goals. I know how to make a person like me, which is just compliment them and start a conversation about a thing about them, and they will like you more, and you will have a better conversation, right? So next time you're talking to a person, just like kind of remember this. Just look at the person, analyze them, what they're insecure about, what they have pride about, what they're trying to show off, and just kind of and just compliment them on it, and maybe you can start a conversation about it. Of course, there'll be some people that don't really have time or not really in the mood or something. Like you compliment them, they can say thank you, just walk away, that's fine. But the dude I met was actually pretty friendly. We started a whole conversation about it. Talk about like haircuts. No, we didn't talk about hair. He talked about how his cousin had the same problem. He can't really grow a beard. Talk about like sports, girls and shit like that. So just remember this next time you're talking to a person. And if you want to join a private community of ambitious young men just like you, the link is in the description, bro. I'll see you later. Fucking massive, bro.